can you guys remember what shapes we've gone over? We've gone over circle, which is a round shape. It goes around like a clock. Circle. Then we learned about the shape triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And then yesterday we learned about the shape square. A square looks like a box. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are our 3 simple shapes: circle, triangle, square. We're now going to make an animal out of all 3 shapes. It's going to be a turtle. I'll show you a drawing before we start cutting. There's the turtle. You can see his head is a circle, and his shell is a square, and his little tail is a triangle. So I'll show you how to make this into a paper animal. So we're first going to start out with just our plain white paper like we've been using. And I'm going to start with the green marker since turtles are green typically. And then remember, you'll need some kind of glue stick or tape or liquid glue, and some scissors. Okay, and then I have an assortment of other markers over here. So we're going to start out making a medium-sized square. Okay, so now we have a medium square for our turtle's body, and then I just drew a circle that's a little bit smaller. That's going to be the turtle's head. And now I'm going to cut them out with my scissors, and then we'll see what we do next. So now that we have our shapes cut out, we have our square, green square, and our circle, we're going to glue the head on under the square. So I'll show you how to do that. So we're just going to put a little bit of glue on the end of the circle because we want it to look like the turtle shell is over his head. And then we're just going to place it like this. There we go. And now we're going to make some legs and a tail. So now the shapes that we've created to make this turtle, it's a circle, a round circle, and a square with 4 sides. Now our turtle needs a tail, so we're going to make a little triangle just with our same paper we used to cut it out. So we're going to just make a little triangle. Remember, they have 3 sides. And then we're going to color it in. And then we're going to cut this little triangle out, and we're going to glue it right here for the tail. And then we're going to make the arms and legs. All right, so see, now we've cut out our little triangle. So we have a circle, a square, and a triangle. What we're going to do is move this triangle to the back here, and that's going to be our turtle's tail. So we'll glue that on. So now our turtle should look something like this. It looks kind of silly since it's a circle, square, and a triangle. It'll start coming together. We need to make four legs, arms and legs. So we're going to make some little circles with our green marker. Just little ones. They don't have to be perfect. So about that size. Oops. And then you just want to color them in. You can always trim them. Okay, so I've cut my 4 little arms and legs circles, and just like the head, we're gonna glue it underneath the shell. So I'm gonna glue all 4 legs underneath the shell. So you just put a little glue on here. There we go. Ah. And then just press it down, and we'll do that on all sides. And then we're going to do the eyes, which will help make it look more like a turtle. So her turtle needs some eyes. So I'm gonna use my black marker and make 2 more circles. And I just make a little dot in the middle for his eyeball. And then I'll cut these out and glue them on his head. So here's our little shape turtle. This was a review on our shapes: circle, square, triangle. So this turtle is made out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles, and 1 big square and 1 triangle.